Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And this week we're gonna make, can you guess what it is? A bunny mask! How cute! And his ears are all floppy. So I'm gonna show you how we made this and we're gonna get into it. Okay, the first step to create your bunny mask is, of course, we have to color the inner ear of our bunny. So you can, traditionally you pick pink. However, it's your bunny mask, so you can do whatever you like. Now, I already colored mine. I did it earlier. So in the next part, we're just gonna take our glue stick. You can use whatever type of glue, and we're gonna glue all the cotton balls all over the mask, okay? And so you're gonna pull your cotton balls, spread them out, make them pretty big. That way you can cover all the area of your bunny. And so you wanna make sure you get plenty of glue on the mask, but make sure not to cover your eyes or else you won't be able to see, okay? Be very important. So what I'm gonna do is start on the bottom of the mask and put a bunch of glue everywhere. And then I'm going to put glue around my ears. So this is what it looks like so far. And I'm just gonna put all my cotton balls all over the purple areas. Make sure that I have plenty, so you might have to spread out your cotton balls here to make sure that you have enough. And if you need more, you can always ask mom and dad to see if you have some. That way you can make your bunny mask even fuller and more fluffy. So then after, you are done putting all the cotton ball, or as much as you like, on the actual mask part, then we're gonna put the glue all around the inner ear that you guys have colored. And try not to get the glue on the part that you colored for the inner ear. I have made a bit of a mess and have some glue on the inside of my ear, but that's okay. We can fix that. And then we're just gonna make sure that we lay enough of the cotton balls. And I find putting them into longer pieces makes it easier to cover this part. And this part you kind of have to be quick because mine is drying very, very fast. And then, once you are done, ta-da! Here, oh no! I can barely see out of my one eye. So this is the craft that we made for this week. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was an easy craft, but it's fun since the Easter Bunny's coming soon. Don't forget to click around and see what else you can find.